Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPWH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. An absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would consider the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $4.60 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.60, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power for the bulls. Next level of support after $4.60 down there at $4.30. So $4.60, $4.30, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that cares about more so the big picture of it all, then the easiest way to really kind of gauge the quote-unquote strength of the move is simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 460, that would be very, very ideal. But big, grand scope of things, as long as the price is above the purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. What about potential areas of resistance? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, so it'll get harder to see, but this is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. We may actually have to change. Yeah, let's go to a daily time frame so that. All right, there we go. Now I can zoom back in. All right, a couple key areas. First one being right here at this pink line right here, which is basically where the price is struggling right now. That is the very famous 200-day simple moving average. So that'll be the initial battleground. If the price can push through there, the next key battleground to keep an eye on right up there at about $4.85. So any way you slice it, very, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.